Hey guys, John coming to you from Evolved Custom Rod Shop, showing you a couple of custom rod builds. One is a kit rod, has the EVA grips, standard 16 reel seat, uses a standard hook keeper. Of course, I labeled it, did a little bit of thread work on here. It's using a high quality alkanite guide. And if you look in the corner of the screen, that'll show you the concept layout, how I laid them out on this rod. I'm using a Pro Wrap thread, which is silver shimmer with some silver inlay bands. Now, this one is done with American Tackle components. First of all, this one has the Aero reel seat, probably one of the most comfortable reel seats on the market. I paired it up with a carbon grip for lightweight and just ultimate comfort. You can literally hold this handle all day long. It's a wonderful feeling. Moving up the rod, I put a little bling on this rod. And I did some marbling here at the very base of the rod. If you look up in the corner of the screen, you can click on how I marbled it. Of course, I got the American Tackle hook keeper. Got it all labeled up. Got some nice trim bands on here. Now here's the star of the show, the microwave guides. These guides make all the difference when casting these. They smooth out the line. Guys, this rod is only 3 foot 6 inches long, and you need all the help you can get. And this nearly takes all the vibration out of the line. And when you're casting monofilament, that's a big deal. As you can see, I continue the orange with white trim band theme all the way up the rod. These two rods, exact same rod blank, two totally different rods. I definitely take the one with the American Tackle components over the other one, though there's nothing wrong with that other one. The other one is 100% functional. It works great, feels good, but it doesn't feel as good as the other one. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Share my videos. That helps me out a lot. Thanks again for watching.